Hey traders, welcome back to uGenesys, and today I want to address a common struggle many of us face when searching for trading signals. And I get it, signals can be a great resource, but what's the point if we can't catch them when they're sent out? That's why I'm here to introduce you to a game-changing solution, our account management system. It's the ultimate answer to ensuring you never miss out on profitable trades again, even when you're sleeping or caught up with your day job. And let's be honest, traditional trading signals often come at the most inconvenient times. Sometimes they're sent out early in the morning while you're snug in bed, or during work hours where you can't be glued to your trading platforms. And missing out on these opportunities can be frustrating and costly. But here's the good news. With our innovative account management system, you can wave goodbye to those missed signals and hello to a stress-free trading experience. So how does it work? It's simple. When you entrust your account to our system, all the hard work is done for you. We analyze the markets, identify profitable trading opportunities, and execute on those trades automatically on your behalf. And just take a look at the profits that we made this morning. And so if you're tired of missing out on trading signals and you want a more convenient and reliable solution, click the link below to join our Telegram group for detailed instructions on how to sign up for our account management program. And thanks for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.